Your phone's storage is full, but it's not because of your photos or apps. Hidden deep inside your phone are secret folders packed with junk files you never see, and they're quietly eating up your memory every single day. That's why your phone feels full, even when you don't have much on it. We'll clean it all out together and free up a huge amount of space. So let's fix it right now. I will show you how to do this on 2 phones, so that each of you can find these hidden folders on your phone and delete them. We will not install any additional applications on the phone. We will need a file manager application that is on every phone. It may just be called a little differently. For example, on this phone it's called My Files, and on another Android phone it's called File Manager. So open up the Files app, then tap on the 3 dots icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings. Now enable the Show Hidden System Files. Then go back. Tap on Internal Storage. Next, tap on Essentials. Select All. Now we will find the hidden folder that collects photos and videos you have ever sent from your phone. When you send a photo or video, your phone makes a copy and save it in this folder. Now we need to find it. Scroll down, tap Android, then tap Media. Next, tap the com.whatsapp. Tap WhatsApp. Again, tap Media. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp Images, then tap Sent. And here, all the copies of your photos that you sent, select all and delete. Tap Move to Trash, then go back. Again, go back. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp Video, tap on Sent, select all videos, tap Delete All, and confirm it. Now we have to clear them from the trash as well. So go back to My Files, scroll all the way down, tap Trash, select All, then tap Delete All, and confirm it. On some phones, there is no trash folder in the File Manager. Try looking in the gallery. Open the gallery on your phone. After this, tap on Albums, and here you can see recently deleted items. But if you don't find it, don't worry. Files from the trash folder will be automatically deleted after 60 days, and finally, we will clear the memory of applications. So folks, this is the way to delete this hidden folder on your phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.